Good morning. I thought I'd just talk to you about magnetic tank bags. It's also in a response to that man from Yorkshire who asked about the pitfalls and what people think of them. This particular one is Oxford One lifetime luggage. I've had it a few years now and it's a really good tank bag. The only thing is I can't use it anymore because I've got a plastic tank there and I've got a plastic tank on my Tuono. So I do use it in case I borrow another bike and need it for any other reason, but there's quite a handy little foam pocket in there. It's quite a lot of space. It's also zip fastenable, and these little flaps here actually make it quite waterproof. And you've also got a couple of handy little pouches at the side as well. A map can fit there, or even your mobile phone if you wanted it to, because this is actually waterproof. But do make sure that this is fastened, because I tend to use a garage door opener, and before I've had it sat there and in the vibrations and the wind it's actually come out and I've lost it. That was about 50 quid. So make sure that that is fastened. Okay, with the magnetic side of it, you'll see underneath the flap there are actually 3 magnets in either side. The magnets are brilliant, but you have to be careful, because if you're not careful it'll pick up little bits of metal. What'll happen is you'll have it on your bike mounted like that, which is really nice. Make sure when you pick it up you roll the flaps back, and then what you'll do is you'll just pop it down onto the floor like that for some reason. You'll be doing something to the bike and then you'll just go to pick the thing back up again, and what you don't realise is not only have you picked up a nail, but there's also what looks like a little shard of metal just here. Look at that. That's metal. So what will happen is, I'll just throw this out of the way, I'll pop it there. Make sure that's clean. People that take them off, that have found they've scratched the tanks, just literally grab it like that and just pick the whole thing up, and that slides up, and then it'll cause a line scratch up your petrol tank. So when you put it on, you have the flaps back, you make sure you rub the magnets to make sure it's okay, you pop the tank on and you fold the magnets down, and then that's nice and secure, and your arms can go either side of it. If you're worried about it, that you're not going to check it every time, then why not just get one of these things that you can get off eBay or from Halfords. It's basically the grip mat that you can use for passengers. And you can lay that down on the tank first and then pop that on, and it's still magnetics, but it also reduces the chance of any scratching on your tank. Okay, I hope that helps you, and feel free to post any comments. Cheers. Just as an addition, we're about to store this. There's the freezer.